Hello, your friend Ben Bruce. I Xposed GH. But subscribe now. Obin sunya bin shame. And that program I had today in Ghananii. Me a Ghananii. Also a Ghananii na. And when I hear twice so now. And then I heard the policy direction of the two major political parties. But I digging holes. Egum kaka. Near Hessan Yomo Kano. Is it even so umbet me a and not me here? Make up political parties are any NDC, MPP, Ghana. One or room and one MPP abekwa NDC near Canada Mboguo Sana Mekano. Obian in the policy direction about Mr. Digital, ye about me or so on put your bar and say no a mistake. Next uncle can say phone here the man they be able to hear 2 CDs no or say soon be able to hear 2 CDs, which is not feasible. Another one is what we call John Mahama or say 24-hour economy. Sabi or the aba. Now, answer na me delve in. Yemi say, a different policy direction. I just say, adwin a wo chima pesa wo de oman efaso. Na pepi ni yehwa, omo nyina de na political what policies in a womb. Ye national policy ni podi ye ente. Ade a ya spend sika aye no ye ente post national policy wo. Now, but yen share this two major political parties. Yera John Mahama afe na wako waba afe na osan pese osanbe ebebiem. Asemba kwa dan anum se o say 24-hour economy eno ye game changer. Me hwa de any bad policy just like the free SHS very good policy by implementation no eno na wrong. They be ambisa me say we even as journalists do we even ask the right questions? Do we? No, I don't think so. First of all, you share free SHS. You more free SHS is not a very good policy. Nemo near like I say, now you need cut-off points. Yeah, mass or wholesale what admission. And the quality of education a drop here, whether you like it or not. Because school there are people who needs to go to school. That should be the aim of the whole when project. It means say obi ohonma onya nkobeko or nimdiano ba oni what akandiano and nothing they buy there. Next time you cut off points. ABR from 6 to 20. Free SHS be above 20 no there you have to pay. And no ya who say in Kolani be serious to learn. Na competition is wo ho. Na sabi obi so a oni made a ontimi nkono so akobi. That should be the aim. Anyway, Mongu 24-hour economy. May say a brilliant policy by all standards. Your implementation, no. First of all, who can say 24-hour economy? What do you need as a person? First of all, do we even have the manpower? Your manpower, you confirm by your when because of manpower. Do we have the your health center that you should necessary every or memo amononia and yet easy. Bebre, doctor say because of my munye. So manpower wise, do we even have the manpower? Number 2, you hear stable power, electricity. And that is a problem. First of all, your electricity is too high. And looking at companies we are moving out of Ghana. How do we make sure say electricity in Ghana no will come to the barest minimum, not obviate me and especially the industries. The third factor is what? Raw materials. As a human baby 1D1F in the year, no, raw materials has become what? A big problem. Because most of the companies, no, even the raw materials to what produce what they are intended to what produce. Factories baby on ma, I can't move them. And also ho. Now, young king come kaka. And you may be an abibia, yeah, a sort of products, no. Do we have the marketers to market it to our and packaging, you know? Say packaging attractive and also now, when you know, Bibi, where is the government going to get money to fund the whole project? Very important because free SHS, yes, adiano into a buyer, no. Although the project is good, you know, not funding, no, a problem. And now Ghana are running into so many debts because you can bobosia, yeah, the share for. Meanwhile, some policy no enye idea this baba says here you be for about 10 years time. It is sanya when you say oh and sanya akase way. These are questions that I want you to ask your member of parliament. Or we not say 24-hour way economy now. Yembisa hardcore questions. Now yembra policy na kasa. Ekasa 24 hours Most of incophobia 24 hours like the security services. Omoye did that. But your ministry no over 24 hour na. I see you. Most of the factories see oko industrial area almost be 24 hours that. If you run a shift no e wo hode that. It what is new? As I say ye the nyina ba bom ne ye nyina 24 hours and I said the obi kra say a nation that sleeps goes hungry. It might be true, but then we all need rest. It is sad when you to factor na ye radio mama or to my policy direction papa and no they make us obey to me. Na no kra no ba and your first year no de ba be. E so train na 2 years be or they eto 2 way and no need the failure of the MPP. Oma planning free SHSE or buy hand or implement here. That was the bane of the problem. It's when the year radio oba 2 years na for planning. Good. Now you call Mr. Digital. Bobia. Ono say ewiase no sane ye ekono. Bibia ye abefo. Eti niam bi wo ho no ma e se obi anya access to what technology. Ono so ne de no. Say wadwane afi economy no de aba technology because economy no wo say e ho hit no anu odin. You see digital is good. But you see say eba na sebe inkofo na ba use no ye up to date useless. Ghana ye literacy rate no say na tie. Mika literacy rate inkofo betimi akenkan no say na tie. Enti wo the policy bi ba bi say policy we kwa ebe boa nipa ni ye. Ade bi ade be ba sebe minya so mfaso no I don't really have to get used to it. Because ade na ade ba me hu ne a metimi de aye. It's first of all, education is very important. Is the Ghanaian population educated what to receive the things that Mr. Baumia is promising? That's the first thing. Number 2, implementation. You won't conform, they will implement the thing to the hardcore. I will be able to say this is what is going to happen. The third one again is funding. Most of Nyama where are we going to get the funds? But me the say. Yeah, good. Saying you know what NDC manifesto MPP, but we need a national manifesto. Maybe there, let's take the best of MPP. Let's take the best of NDC. Near for mom, or policy too, near for mom. Now you're fashion out something for Ghana. And no day on my ebekwenim. It's immediately I make a choice before you go to the polls, before even you cast your ballots. Adia back think well. Tenacity critical analysis. And yes, or buy na all 24 hours and now dinachi. And yes, or buy us a phone, no, every man be able to have 2 cities now dinachi. And yet feasible. And so I said, there be an over to have 2 cities. Because there be 2 cities in the air payable. There are people like Sabe, Amunya Bosuma Juma. And Sabe only 4 mano. Na ebia, and yes, me obianim tia. Shoemaker, dressmaker, abi now say there be to have 2 cities are feasible. But I say every month on to 2 cities are and yeah, and then your china or babetia. And when the America say, yeah, about me, I'm so one for me. I'm say every day 2 cities, who can say our accept. Now, and also say, it means a person be any access to what near my a bit near money pa and higher no. When the 2 major party policies from the Aba. In California, there will be a car for talk can be welcome, welcome. But I made there a MPP and NDC. Bakune Benya. 80% of Tomau. After the rubber started election, no. Ya Becky can say ya ko. You do baby, you'll be better informed. No one say me to abanako A and B. Aha, I expose GH. Aha, so na your friend. Ghananii, me a Ghananii, also a Ghananii na. Nasene, ya besan shebi. Manwesi, bye bye.